Hello everyone. Welcome to HelloNote EMR's tutorial on the latest updates to the patient checklist feature. With this new update, therapists can now add new items to the patient checklist, edit existing items, and remove items as needed. Let's get started by exploring the checklist. First, we will click on the Patients tab located on the left side navigation bar. Once we click it, it should redirect us to the Patients page immediately. As we're looking at the patient information, we should see the patient checklist on the right with some items listed. There are 5 items on the list now. Let's try adding an item for one of our patients. We will go ahead and type in a patient's name in the patient list search bar. Select the specific patient from the results. To add a checklist item, we will click on the Edit button located in the upper right corner. Once we click on it, it should allow us to edit any fields in the patient information section. Now, a green Add button appears next to the patient checklist. Click it, and an Add Patient Checklist item pop-up will display. I will enter First Appointment as the new list item. Click Save to add the new item to the list. Now scroll down on our checklist, and First Appointment should show up at the bottom. We will then need to click Save again to save the changes we just made to the patient's information. First Appointment is successfully added to the list. A very important reminder is that any changes we made to one patient's checklist will apply to all the other patients in the list. Select another patient on the patient list to see the newly applied changes. First Appointment appears on all the checklists. Choose another patient to see the change again. Go back to our demo patient, and we will try editing the newly added item. Same steps as before, we will click on the Edit button at the upper right corner, and then click on the gray Edit button next to First Appointment. Now we are back to the Add Patient Checklist item pop-up. Instead of First, I will change it to Follow Up, and click on the Save button to save the updated item. Click Save again to save the updated changes made to the checklist item. Now, First Appointment becomes Follow Up Appointment. Click the Edit button again, and then click on the gray trash can button to remove the newly added item from a list. A pop-up will appear asking us to confirm the action. Click Yes to confirm. Now, the follow-up appointment should be removed from our checklist. Once we click the Save button at the top, it should save our changes for all patients. Click on another patient to see the applied changes. There should be no more follow-up appointments in our patient checklist. Thank you all for watching the tutorial on updates to our patient checklist. Feel free to check our knowledge base for any questions you may have, and please reach out to us for any concerns.